118. You know what I mean?
Got your number.
Are you staying here? You're not in the elevator, just...
The outside.
So you're getting a taxi back to town, then I got to tell you on my head.
Back to Liverpool.
I've got a taxi, a minibus. It's my 24. It's 21st. She's 23 today, and it's 21st. No. Do you think we wouldn't know how to eat? I'll fucking back to you. No. This is the fair Warburton. The fucking fair Warburton. That's Melty.
This is hilarious. The Blackpool session. 118. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Blonde hair with a pink dress, yeah.
Just say Ben, I said 180. I'm talking to you. I'm back to you. Yeah, just like the knee.
Crying, I ain't laughing, I'm crying.
I am fucking straight. Oh yeah.
Fucking hell. Oh my gosh. Anybody's watching this video. Oh my gosh. Blackpool, here we come. Blackpool, here we come. Yeah, we got some more. But least you would drop you back home. Where's from Wolverhampton? Sunny Wolverhampton. He's not from Wolverhampton.
Don't get my ass
Get him on camera.
Hey, do you think you're yeah.
Wait, can I have a big tear up for the camera? Big fucking tear up! Massive! Oh my gosh. 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 Look man, we can go in here. Blackpool's too busy. Oh my god. You look like sport. Tell her how fucking sexy.